spreading sand for the foundation, and we got to get all these piles moved now because we were getting trucks stuck. We got an inch of rain in about 20 minutes the other day, and all this sod just gets so wet. And as soon as the truck starts spinning, trenching out, they get stuck.
A lot of nerve, don't you, baby? I only hit the curb 'cause you made me